To prune or not to prune? That is the question. And the answer is almost always yes. But how to prune and when to prune is not that easy. So I'd like to share a few tips and hints with you so you can prune like a professional. They say wander, ponder and prune. So I encourage you to go for a nice stroll around your garden or orchard on a regular basis. It will allow you to identify plants that need some pruning, like this Magnolia grandiflora. It's doing a great job at creating a privacy screen on the side of the house, but I need to prune it back every so often to keep it where it needs to stay. Always keep in mind the golden rule of seasonal pruning. Pruning in winter will promote growth, whereas pruning in summer will do the opposite. Another tip is to make sure you're using the right tools for the job. There are many pruning tools available, so let's have a look at which ones work best. In the case of this Magnolia, I'll be using a combination of secateurs, loppers, telescopic loppers, and maybe even my tree pruner. It all depends on the size of the branch and where it's located on the tree. The general rule is to use secateurs for branches up to 24 mm, and loppers for those between 24 and 45 mm. For anything larger, a garden saw is your best bet. These new Gardena secateurs are great because you can adjust them to fit the size of your hand, and the spring is fully integrated, so you never lose it. For thick branches that are just out of reach, I like to use this Gardena telescopic lopper that gives me additional reach thanks to its telescopic function, which is perfect for this branch here. If I need to reach even higher, the trusty Gardena Star Cut lopper does the trick by reaching branches up to 6.5 meters high. Head to gardena.com to learn more.